Sarah Fry. I am an educational consultant with PaTTAN, which is a project of the Bureau of Special Education for the Pennsylvania Department of Education. Our team at PaTTAN works in conjunction with Science U at Penn State University to host the summer camp every year for the National Autism Conference. So our camp is unique in that it specifically serves students with autism. So our camp each year focuses on a STEM or computer science integration with real world and community concepts. We pick a different theme every year. This year we were excited to work in partnership with many people at Penn State University, and we are exploring the science, specifically computer science, behind ice cream production. So all week we are learning about computer science concepts and applying those with integrations with computer science and food science.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Gabarine. I'm another one of the consultants at PaTTAN along with Sarah. The biggest part that I focused on as my role in our team this year has been on coding microprocessors and looking at how we use the skills that we learn when we code these microprocessors to explore temperature and humidity, light levels, weather, and all of those kind of agricultural and environmental concerns that go into food science and food production through a computer science lens.
Our focus areas are really three. We want our students to engage socially with each other. These are students that may have never had a camp experience or something away from their typical classroom or home environment. So socialization and interacting with peers is a really big focus for us, as well as exploring computer science and STEM concepts in a fun way. And then lastly, working in conjunction with Penn State University, we like that integration and that exploration of college and careers that maybe our students have never been exposed to.
For me, the biggest thing behind something like this is just sparking a flame. We try to come up with these really fun hook activities like the ice cream stuff so that we can plant a seed of computer science interest in students. And so what I hope to see out of it is that some of these kids, I'd love it if all of them, but if some of these kids decided to start learning more about these ideas, about how to think about the world the way that a computer scientist does, about how to process things and explore them with that kind of an inquisitive nature and that kind of an eye toward figuring out systems and how to make things work. That just opens up so many doors for them.
For me personally, I'm a former classroom teacher, so in my current role, I'm not with students every day. I work mostly with adult learners. So this is the 1 week a year where I get to have a great time with students, and it's in a very fun environment, having this camp atmosphere, being on campus. So that I look forward to that every year with camp, but also just, you never really know what will light up a student's eyes. You might think like, oh, this is going to be the best activity, or they're going to fall in love with this, but we always get surprised. So learning more about our campers along the week and just seeing them get so excited about a specific project or concept is always rewarding.